Hi everybody and welcome back to our tips and tricks series. This time let's talk about localization. In Flexmonster Pivot you can simply and quickly change all grid controls language, like the toolbar labels or pop-up window messages, with one line of code. If you need to translate your report to another language, simply add the report object localization property with the specified path to the localization file you need. As you can see, now all grid elements are translated into Ukrainian. Though the dataset itself remains the same, as it needs to be translated separately before loading into the pivot grid. You can also define localization for the whole component. To do that, add global localization property with the same path. You can use this feature to add your custom labels and rewrite grid's element in a way you need. For that, instead of a link to your file, put key value pairs of the buttons which labels you want to rewrite with the corresponding correct labels. You can use this trick to customize any labels on the grid. On our documentation page about localization, you can see the list of predefined localizations, or create your own based on our localization file. A JSON file with key value pairs, where a key is the component's label element and value is the translation of its text into respective language. Hope you will find this information useful, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video.